Hey guys, it's Yuko. Today is a super exciting day. I have received a package that I have been waiting for like over a month or so. It's from the gentleman Mark Buritsky. I can't pronounce his last name, but he is a spiritual crystal guy from Spain, and he has an amazing store where he sells jewelry and smudging items and essential oils, so many gorgeous things. So I ordered a necklace which came, and some earrings which also came. They're so beautiful, and then with it came 2 angel cards as well, so that was so sweet. I wasn't expecting to get these, so this is a nice surprise. The Angel of Courage and the Angel of the Stars. So I love his channel, I love his products, and I will link below to Mark's page so you can all check it out if you haven't been exposed to him before. Hannah loves him too. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, everyone.